Hey guys, it's Franco. So, I finally did it. After long years, since 2006. Since I immigrated in America, I have been with Wells Fargo all the way. Now, I left the bank. But don't get me wrong, Wells Fargo is a good bank, but I find my reasons to stay in the bank different now. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you or gonna tell you why I left it. And as you can see, I'm outside because sometimes I need to be outside. I'm always in a dark room telling you something. Anyway, stay tuned. Alrighty, bye. So I changed from Wells Fargo to United Federal Credit Union because of one thing, their interest rate. Their interest rate is phenomenal and totally unheard of in my point of view. It's 3%. Remember my videos before or my video before? Click here if you don't remember it. It's about the emergency fund. If you don't have an emergency fund yet, click this video first before you watch this. Okay? But the banks I mentioned there have about 2% at the time of recording. But 2 weeks ago and last week, the Federal Reserve just cut off all interest rates. So the banks has to do the same. So right now it's sitting on a 0.5% on the banks that I mentioned on that video. But United Federal Credit Union did not change at all. So I can have my money sitting there and it's working for me, 3% annual percentage yield. And what's even more better, I can pull it out whenever I want to. So what's the catch? There's three things that they need from you in order to earn 3%. One is e-statements. Who wants a junk mail anyway? I don't know anyone who wants to receive an actual paper in their mail on their bank statements. You can check that all out in online. So, e-statements, that's easy. Another one is one direct deposit per month. And that's easy too. If you're working, and I assume you are, maybe, you direct deposit is the way to go. Then the last one is 10 credit transactions per month. They're gonna give you a card, which is naturally an ATM card or a debit card in some countries. Either way, it's the same meaning, and you're gonna use it as a credit. So it has a Visa card or Visa logo, but um, you're gonna use it as a credit card. So you're not gonna use whenever you do something, you don't put your PIN number. So where can you use that? I use it for online shopping, like if I buy something from Amazon, or to put gas in my vehicle. You rarely put your PIN number on the gas stations anyway. Or paying online bills such as water or energy, you can use that too. You don't use your PIN number. So just 10 transactions per month, and that's easy enough. And there's a tab there on their website that you can actually see how many times you use your debit card as a credit card or a Visa card, and you will know. I guess that's it. But there's more. There's more things underneath all that 3%. It's fun and dandy, but you had to read the fine print. I like reading the fine print, those small little notes at the very, very end of the website usually. So I need to know where my money goes anyway. So what's it saying? So only the first 15,000 will earn 3%. Above 15,000, the excess of that will only earn 0.10% if and only if you met the requirements per month, like I said earlier. Second, if you didn't meet the requirements per month, it's okay. Your money's still going to be fine, but you're only going to earn 0.05%. And that's all right. If you miss a month or two, it's okay. But 3% is a lot. So better do it. So I guess that's it. That's the advantages. Then I'm gonna tell you the disadvantages of going to this bank on the next clip. But wait! Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, because I'm teaching you something. And if you really like the content, just subscribe to it. Or comment if you have more suggestions better than what I'm suggesting. Alright? Thanks. So, there's some things that I want to tell United Federal Credit Union to upgrade on or to work on. First, their customer service is not 24/7. You have to wait the actual business hours, and it's mountain time, not even Pacific time. So it differs. Then their bill pay. Their bill pay is horrible. It's not complete. I want to pay my Amazon card, my Chase card through a bill pay, but I can't do that from their website. And then the totality of their website is somewhat mediocre. Wells Fargo's like a lot more better. But I guess that's it. I don't really have problems with them whenever I get a chance to talk to their customer service, but there are a lot of things. There are some things that needs to be worked on. And that's it. Like this video and subscribe to it. And if you like the content, and like I always tell you guys, you need to find ways to work. You need to find ways for your money to work for you. Alrighty, bye.